through the power of car friends, I am currently at an airport, and not just like a normal airport. I am literally inside, like, look, there's a plane landing right there. Wow. That was crazy loud, but yeah, right now, my buddy Jeff with the yellow Corvette sent me a picture of his car next to a giant jet in a hangar and goes, "Come over to the airport." I'm like, what? How are you in the airport? Well, now we came in the front gate. We've got R8 V10, got a Hellcat. Yep, Hellcat. Showed up with the i8, my buddy's C6 Z06. We're about to do a photo shoot in the hangar. So that's gonna be pretty awesome, because cool cars, airplanes, hangars, that's a great combination right there. About to start doing some pictures, moving the i8 in there. It's kind of dirty, so I might quick detail it because it rained yesterday. There's camera bag here, gotta move that. Another plane taking off. Ow. Close the door. Put the i8 in the airplane hangar. This is sweet. Got the photographer, he's on a ladder. Got the cars and the airplanes. This is the coolest photo shoot I've ever been in. Oh, yeah. Aha. Parker's missing out. I'm going. Got a fuel tanker. The other cars out there. I can't wait to see these pictures. This guy looks like he's a photographer for Shift Sector. And I'm sure he takes really good pictures. Airport photo shoots. Helicopters, jets, hangars, and supercars. We've got right now the C7 Z06 along with my friends C6 Z06 in there doing a Corvette photo shoot. So my friend Jason with the white F80 M3 showed up, so now we're about to do the white car photo shoot. Got mine are on. Are they? Yeah, I just had the bottom strip. Oh wow. Yeah. From here. Wait, are those your daytime running?
Yeah.
Damn, that's really bright. Photographer, ladder, cars, planes, hangar, friends, check. Positioning the cars. Further back, I think? Forward?
Well, I wanted more in the middle.
Okay, because then the R8 might block the front.
Yeah.
Okay. Down.
Hey, turn your wheel. Which way?
To the left?
Left? Driver's side.
Yeah.
There you go. There. Hey.
Jeff's car is as subtle as usual. I think it's literally emitting light. You need those yellow Louboutins to match the car. Don't touch the plane.
I don't want to.
That would be really expensive. Adding some color.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that is sick! Helicopter! Yeah, just.
Oh, God.
Jeff, that's not gonna work.
Not close
Forward,
enough.
more.
Forward.
Wait, no, not your headlights. The rings should light up, right?
Yeah, that's what I was.
No. No. It's. No. I thought that. Yeah. Do you have to? Maybe the car has to be on.
They're off.
Maybe the car has to be on for the daytime running lights. They're just the loops. Maybe it's low on battery?
They've been running for a while.
Huh. There you go.
Just gotta leave it running.
Yeah, just leave it running. Now they're on, yeah.
Hey.
You don't want to get kicked out. No, you just.
Eddie calls me up about an hour ago and says he's got a hangar that his friends have gotten access to where we can take all the cars out. Look at this. I think all these cars combined are worth less than the 2 engines on that plane. Well, but you don't think?
Engines aren't that much.
I don't know, man. This is so sick. Of course, Eddie has his doors up. Only cool part about his car. Gonna take some rolling shots now out the back of an R8 convertible.
The Audi R8 Spider is going to be utilized as a camera car, which actually works pretty well because you put the top down and then James, photographer, is just going to stick his face out the top and see how this works out. Earlier we were using the Range Rover but had to leave. Don't launch control! Hi, Jeff.
Just took some rollers out on the runway. Took some of just the Huracan and the Huracan and the i8 together. And they've come up to be really freaking cool. Let's see.
Yeah, it reduces unsprung weight and doesn't really damage the braking ability because it's on the edge.
Focus.
Yeah.
Oh my.
No. Yeah,
Holy shit,
like,
that is freaking awesome.
Just for it,
how about some other ones?
On the wheels, the rotating weight, that actually matters. It's like they say it takes like 5 pounds or something, but it actually is a bigger effect because
that's
it's on the
awesome
wheel right there.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah.
What were you guys talking about on the R8?
The wave rotors.
Yeah.
They introduced them on the RS5, I think. They shave off like the edges.
Oh yeah?
They call them like wave rotors. Cars.
Cars.
Dude, did you see these double rollers, Parker?
Yeah, they're freaking awesome.
Oh my god, that's my new cover photo. That's gonna be my new cover photo.
Dude, Facebook, you're gonna get hella likes on it. This is a sick ass interior. Oh my god. Oh, just touch that.
Just feel it, just the texture. What's that? What? In the cup holder. Whoa! It's an Audi branded chain.
Oh shit!
Damn, that's where you keep the money.
That part. So this is the R-Tronic?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the really good one.
Yeah, it's
okay. Because the first gen ones aren't that great. Airplane.
Airplanes and boats. Right there.
The purple one.
Doing a little gas station pit stop. Seems like the i8 has to stop for fuel stops more often than anyone else. How big is your tank?
11 gallons.
Oh, 11 gallons. Yeah, that's why. Mine's like 23.
Yeah, but I get 35 miles per gallon.
I know, I get 12, so.
We're now heading to our friend's place in Troy. The current squad right now is Hellcat, Z06, Huracan, my i8, and then there's an R8 V10 behind me.
Ridiculous.
Squad!
In classic Michigan form, we took all the cars out for a nice dinner, and it is literally raining so hard it's flooding in Detroit.
Oh, it was slightly terrifying.
Actually. Pretty much all these cars are okay in the rain except for that. And then we saw a Scat Pack Charger going down the street at half the speed limit, and then all of us went by going twice as fast, and one of those cars was the Z06, so he probably looked like an idiot. And then there was a convertible, Z06 with the top down.
Well, he
that
probably
just
hopefully pulled over
downpoured.
before you got
It is raining so hard. Oh, it's not as hard anymore, but.
So that was an excellent day, excellent evening, despite the torrential downpour. Finally back home, plug the i8 back in, gonna charge the batteries. It's kind of dirty, so I'll probably have to clean it off tomorrow. But like always, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please browse our channel and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you guys next video.